In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on Google. Then all services, Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now it's time to tap on any password that you wish to edit, enter your login method and click Edit button. Now change whatever you want to, and when you finish, tap Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!